everyone, welcome to my channel TheMonaZine. I am Mona Lisa and today we are making completely tarakta bharakta paint. Yes, you heard me right. Now let me ask you one question. When you think of sky, what color comes to mind? Blue, right? Always blue. But today I thought क्यों ना कुछ अलग सा किया जाए. Why stick to the rule when we can make the sky burn with pink, red and deep purple? What do you think? I wanted to create something vibrant, bold and full of light. A dream-like sunset behind a lonely lighthouse. So if you love vibrant colors and want to see how this blank paper transforming with a fairy masterpiece, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now and join our creative. तो फिर चलो शुरू करते हैं. Before the magic happens, preparation is key. First, I am applying paper tape all around the borders. ये मेरा favorite trick है. It keeps the paper steady. But the best part, taking it off at the end for that clear, professional border line, it is so satisfying. I keep the drawing little simple. A majestic lighthouse, the horizontal lines and the basic rhythm of the wave. Remember, you don't need a perfect drawing. The paint is going to do all the talking today. The sky is the heart of this painting. I am layering intense yellow for the glowing sun and then swirling in the fairy red hot pinks and deep. The only thing you have to notice is how I am using circular wavy brushstroke. This technique gives the sky a moving, dramatic energy. It almost feels like the sky is dancing. What do you think? While I am blending these white colors, I wanted to know from you guys. Comment down below what is your absolute favorite color to use when you painting. Are you team cool blue or team fairy red? Let me know. I did every single comment. आपको पता है मेरा favorite color कौन सा है? I am always the team fairy reds. जल्दी से आप भी बताओ आप कौन से टीम में हो? Moving down to the sea, because the sky is so warm and fairy, I wanted the ocean to have a beautiful contrast. I am splashing rich blue and teals, but look closely, the water is reflecting the brilliant pink sky. I want to make the sea look alive. For that, I am thinking to add white waves at the bottom using a dry brush technique. If you're wondering how to get that realistic texture splash look, the secret is keeping your brush almost completely dry. Wipe off most of the wet paint on a cloth first, then softly skim the brush across the paper. See how it leaves those beautiful broken lines. It perfectly mimics the wild, tamed foam of the ocean. What do you think? Does it look great? It is almost done. Main part is almost done actually. It looks so beautiful. I just love it how it turns out. Now I am adding small details it's remain. The more you add the details, the picture make more perfect, more detailed work. And इसके लिए कोई अलग सा रूल और पेंटिंग टेक्निक नहीं है. आपके आँखों को जो भी लग रहा है एंड आप करते जाते हो. एंड दिस इज़ द वेरी पीसफुल मोमेंट फॉर एन आर्टिस्ट. And now for our anchor element, the lighthouse. I am using deeper, darker earth tone and black for contrasting with bright yellow glow. It creates a beautiful scene of drama, doesn't it? While I am doing it, I can feel like it is perfectly mix of Van Gogh's The Starry Night style with a fairy modern twist. What do you think? Just adding some final highlights to the lighthouse windows and the waves to make everything pop, and of course putting my signature. This is important and most happiest part in the painting. Now it's time for the absolute best part of my painting session. Let's peel off the tape. देखो, बिकॉज ऑफ द टेप इसके साइड वाले बॉर्डर बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनल एंड क्लीन लग रहा है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? एंड देयर यू हैव इट, आवर तड़कता वड़कता fairy pink lighthouse painting is complete. I absolutely love how vibrant and dreamlike this turned out. Hope you like this video. If you enjoyed watching this process and want to learn more fun art technique with me, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your artistic friend and subscribe to TheMonaZine for more colorful adventures. Thank you so much for watching. Keep painting and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.